यहाँ मैं दुनिया भर से पेट छुपाती फिरूं, ये ताव देने को मुझे बढ़ा रहे।
This is Neena Gupta, an actress who has redefined herself late in her career thanks to her starring role as an expecting middle-aged mother in Badhai Ho. This may have been the first time some moviegoers had seen Neena, despite the fact that she had been working regularly in Hindi films since the early 1980s. After attending the National School of Drama, Neena got her first 2 film roles in 1982, a supporting role in the musical romance Saath Saath, and the other as one of Mahatma Gandhi's nieces in the Oscar-winning Best Picture Gandhi. Neena continued climbing the ladder, appearing in several high-profile projects in the 1980s. Her first major comedic role was as Priya in the cult classic Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. She made an impression with what was considered to be a risque love scene at the time in the period drama Utsav. And she worked with Pierce Brosnan when she played a grief-stricken wife in The Deceivers.
For 5 weeks, my soul has been with my husband's.
Then in the late 80s, Neena had a much talked about love affair with cricket player Sir Vivian Richards and gave birth to her daughter Masaba, raising her as a single mother. Many praised Neena for her strength, but as Neena put it in a 2018 interview for Rediff.com, unfortunately in our society that goes against you. So I got negative roles only. My personal life got typecast into my professional life. Still, Neena continued to find success, especially in the Sanjay Dutt crime thriller Khalnayak. She played singer and dancer Champi Didi, and one song she helped sing, Choli Ke Piche Kya Hai, was so popular that Neena got a lot of work afterwards, performing it for various shows around the country. Neena's career throughout the 90s flourished. She won 2 National Film Awards in 1994, one for her performance as a widowed single mother in the TV movie Wo Chhokri, and the other one for directing the documentary Bazaar Sitaram. She continued with her directing work as well as writing when she created and starred in the popular serial Saans, winning 2 Screen Awards. As the years passed, Neena's career seemed to slow down, something she attributed to people thinking that she wasn't working anymore after she married and moved to Delhi in 2008. Fed up, Neena took matters into her own hands and asked for work on Instagram, a post that subsequently went viral. It didn't take long for Neena to get responses, one of them from director Amit Sharma. He also saw Neena's performance in a short film, Khujli, about a middle-aged couple exploring modern-day sexuality, which convinced him that she was perfect for his upcoming film Badhai Ho. Neena won multiple awards for her performance as an older woman who unexpectedly becomes pregnant. That same Instagram post brought other opportunities to Neena to play substantial roles in critically acclaimed dramas like Mulk and The Last Color, and she stars opposite Sanjay Mishra in the thriller Gwalior. Neena has also gotten work from another unexpected place, her daughter Masaba. She's found success as a fashion designer and plays a fictionalized version of herself in the Netflix series Masaba Masaba, and has proudly cast her mom to act alongside her. And so, after decades of standout supporting roles, Neena Gupta is getting her turn in the spotlight and seems delighted at the opportunities she's getting. In a 2019 interview for NDTV, Neena said, "The subjects of film are changing